Now the set of applications being presented to you is the application of JAKA collaborative robots in the machine tool monitoring scenario. The application is equipped with JAKA Pro series collaborative robots. This collaborative robot is the first to be introduced by JAKA and has the highest protection level in the industry. Its protection level reaches IP68, based on JAKA's continuous exploration in the industry, especially in the field of machine tool monitoring in the automotive parts machining and electronic machining industries. It has played a very significant role. Initially, we realized that during the machine tool monitoring operation, especially in an environment faced with a large amount of cutting fluid and cutting oil spray, it puts forward very high requirements for the protection level of the collaborative robot. To this end, JAKA, relying on years of technical accumulation, has developed the first collaborative robot with an IP68 protection level. Currently, it has been widely applied in the machine tool monitoring applications of automotive and electronic components machining, which has well met the needs of the customer scenarios. In the future, based on JAKA's exploration of technology in different application scenarios, I believe that the JAKA Pro series will also have broader expansion to meet the actual needs of more scenarios and more customers. This is the introduction to the IP68 protection level application of the JAKA Pro series.